Hey! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. Start by accessing Settings and choosing Apps and Notifications. Following that, click on Notifications section here, scroll down and tap on See All from last 7 days. After that, you need to select one of your apps like Voice Recorder and click on the switcher next to it. As you can see, all notifications from Recorder are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can also just tap on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!